Guys, welcome back to kawaiinfriends. So today we're going to be putting pistachio shells inside slime. I thought this would be interesting, so I got my clear slime and borax in case it melts. So let's get started. So my clear slime is not cleared all the way yet. It looks a little bit dirty, but trust me, it's a bit clear. You see, I can see you guys.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do these pistachios.
Okay, so here's
They're
my...
kind of wet. Pistachios are good. I thought maybe pistachios would be kind of cool too. Add slime. I don't know. Just looking for something new to try and do.
Okay, so I'll show you.
Alright.
It's very nice. I made it a little bit sticky for the pistachio shells to stick in.
Let's see how they
So
work. We'll add a few in and see how it looks, and then keep adding more. This is just a quick little video challenge.
It's weird.
Did it make your slime all?
Oh, I made it a little bit sticky.
All right, we're gonna dump them all in there and see what happens.
Can it hold?
Oh my god, is it eating the slime up?
Yes, eating it up.
I don't know if this was a good challenge or not. Kind of crunch it and see what happens.
Yeah. I would not recommend this. It kind of hurts your hand. Okay, let me just break out my borax right here.
And she's got some pre-paint borax. Is that even helping? Did I ruin your slime with this dumb challenge?
I don't know.
This was my idea of the challenge, not her idea.
Yeah, you can mold it, but...
Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to think of that. Can we even take the pistachios out of that, or is it pretty much ruined?
The slime is kind of sticky, so I don't think so. I made it a little bit sticky for the challenge so that the pistachios would stick in, but...
What happens if I get toothpaste?
Yeah, I'd melt it.
So that would just be the topper, just to go ahead and just... Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and then make the clear slime opaque.
Try to pull it apart and see what happens. Oh my gosh, let me zoom in. Pull it apart kind of right there. Oh.
It looks like a spider web. It's so gross.
That is weird. And it's got like a... I thought it'd have a good crunch. Let's listen to the crunch and see. Yeah, I think this is a fail. This is just
I would not recommend this.
I don't know. It was my idea. I was just trying to look for something new, fun to do, and I don't think... Are you going to have to throw this away, you think?
I can keep it, but...
Yeah, but are you really going to pull it out and go crunch, crunch?
It kind of hurts your hands.
I think so. I think this was a bad challenge for me. I'm going to have to name like this title. Will it fail or will it be great? Or something. I don't know.
The crunches are good.
The crunches are pretty good.
Here's some ASMR crunches. Kind of sounds gross and satisfying at the same time.
I know, almost like an alien. Anyways, or something.
That's just...
Anyways, anything else on this you want to do on this? I mean, that's pretty much a failed attempt, I feel like.
I think we should just gradually put it in instead of him putting it
all
in at once.
I dumped it all in there. I was just like, yeah, let's dump it. All right. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and all that good stuff, and subscribe if you hadn't already subscribed. Is that pretty much going to be it? I think this is going to be her good slime she made is going to have to go to the trash possibly, unless we can. You think we can pull all these out?
Oh, we can probably make over the slime.
All right, we'll hold on to it and try to do a makeover and see what we can do. Let her. We'll do a part 2 to this video possibly then.
disgusting.
Yeah, I think we'll try to hang on to it, maybe stick it somewhere in a cup and then come back to it. I don't know how you'd even do makeup. You're going to try to pull all the pistachios out?
Yeah, that might take about a while.
Really?
Or add more clear slime to it so it would be easier to work with.
Yeah, possibly. I think that was too little of slime. But anyways, let us know in the comments if you want to see any kind of weird challenges. That was my weird challenge of the day.
Please comment down below because I want to test out another thing just
Alrighty,
like this.
that's going to be pretty much it.
I think we should make more.
Make more slime down. We'll try that later.
Yeah. Oh wow. My perfectly good slime goes to trash, but not for long when we give it a makeover.
Yeah, we'll try to maybe do a makeover. We should color it. I think if you colored it, it might be more interesting.
Uh-huh.
And we may come back and color it and see how it turns out. But anyways, that's going to be pretty much wrap this up. Thanks for watching.
Oh, that sounds so cool. It sounds like you cracking your knuckles. Bye.